Now talking about my family, sir, including me, we have four members. My father is currently working in Alpha Design Technology. He's a retired Air Force man. I felt sad and was when my grandmother passed away, sir. So that's it about sir. So honestly, the job I'm doing now is my backup option. I've always been passionate to join the armed forces, sir. I come from a family who has been carrying and serving the nation for years, sir. My father has served the Indian Air Force. My grandfather has been a part of CRPF. My maternal uncle, has been part of Indian Air Force, sir. And I feel that I'm obliged enough to, serve the nation and carry forward their legacy.
Shriya Singh.
Jain, sir. May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come in.
Thank you, sir.
So you're Shriya Singh.
Yes, sir.
So Shriya Singh, you're coming from which place?
So I'm coming from Delhi, Gurgaon, sir.
Okay, take a seat, please.
Thank you.
So Shriya Singh, you're coming from Gurgaon.
Yes, sir.
So what are you doing there in Gurgaon?
So currently I'm working in a company called Deloitte India, sir, as a SAP analyst, sir.
Okay, so Shriya Singh, you basically belong to Bihar, right?
Yes, sir.
But what is the reason of settling down in Jalandhar?
So the first reason is that my father is working there in the MiG-29 simulator in the Air Force Base station Adampur, sir. And secondly, my college was there in Punjab only, and my younger brother is studying there. So I feel that Jalandhar holds a lot more opportunities than Patna, Bihar, sir. And we have been staying there for over 7 years, sir.
Okay, so you have been staying in Jalandhar from last 7 years.
Yes, sir.
Great, good. So Shriya, you are coming for the first time to Allahabad?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you know anything about the city Allahabad?
So not much, sir. I've not read much about this, sir.
Okay, so what do you know?
So Allahabad is also the Central Air Command, and it is a place known for its ghat as well. And previously, it was also, I mean, the new name for Allahabad is Prayagraj, sir. And yeah, that's all I know as of now, sir.
Okay, great. So Shriya,
Yes, sir.
since I think this is your second attempt.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So I'll be interacting with you for another 35 to 40 minutes. I'll be trying to know much more detail about you. So Shriya, tell me something more about yourself, about your family. What are doing in your family, your parents, your siblings, how many siblings you have, what they are doing, your own academic qualification right from your junior classes, about the games and sports you like to play, hobbies and interests you like to do, about your CCA participation, roles and responsibilities you have taken so far, about your previous attempt for a UPSC or SSB, what have been the results, how did you improve this attempt, your best moment of life and a worst moment of life, about your friends, who's your best friend, why is your best friend, about teacher, who's your best teacher, who's your worst teacher, or I think you have been working. So tell me about your seniors you have been working with, the senior you like the most, the senior you not like. Anything else you like to discuss with me, you can please go ahead.
All right, sir. So talking about myself, I'm 22 years old and I'm currently working in Gurgaon in Deloitte India as a SAP analyst, sir. And I graduated in 2025, sir. And I enjoy painting and traveling. Now talking about my family, sir, including me, we have four members. My father is currently working in Alpha Design Technology. He's a retired Air Force man, and he's currently working as the senior manager in MiG-29 simulator. And coming on to my mother, sir, she used to be a teacher, but now she's on a break due to health reasons. And currently, she's a homemaker. And my younger brother, he's 9 years old and he's currently studying in fourth standard, sir. So that's all about my family, sir. Now,
9 year old and 22 years of, so there's a huge difference between your you and your sibling.
yes, sir.
What is so reason of having such a huge gap?
So my parents planned my brother like on a later age of the marriage. There has been medical complications with my mother and my father as well. So it turned out that way, sir.
Okay, yeah, continue.
Yes, sir. So talking about my educational qualifications, sir. So I completed my 10th from Kendriya Vidyalaya FS Bidar with a score of 95.5%. And then talking about my 12th, so I completed it from Kendriya Vidyalaya for station number 1, Adampur. I scored 94.6% there. And talking about my graduation, sir, I did it from Thapar University in Patiala. I did engineering of electronics and communication engineering, and I scored 77.8% over there. And I was lucky enough to get the Milty scholarship during my college days, sir. And coming on to my extracurricular activities, sir, I have been the head of IIC, that is the Innovation Institution Council, that comes under the Ministry of Education, sir. And I had a chance to open my own startup and a club called Plex. I was the founding member and the general secretary for 2 years there. And I was also the media head of Girl Up TIT, sir. It's a UN affiliated club, sir. And coming on to my interest and hobbies, I enjoy reading and watching podcasts, and I love traveling and I love painting as well. So now talking about my friends and my how I like to spend time with them. So I have a close circle of few friends, sir, which include one of my best friends, Bhavya, and there are few people more, naming them Ayushi, Muskan, Priyanshi, and we love to hang out on weekends when everybody is free from their office. So, and now coming on to the good moments and bad moments of my life, sir. I've been lucky enough to have a lot of good moments in my life. The last one, I would say, when I got placed in my batch in a good Big Four company, and luckily I have not had any worst moment as of now. One of the moments that I think I felt sad in was when my grandmother passed away, sir. So that's it about, sir. That's from my side, sir.
Okay, great. So you have been working as a SAP analyst in Deloitte India.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what motivates you to join the Indian Defense Forces, since you have been trying for AFCAT and the Army? So what motivates you to join, since you're already working in a Deloitte company and are earning around a good 50K, right?
Yes, sir.
So the future is very bright, of course.
So honestly, the job I'm doing now is my backup option. I've always been passionate to join the armed forces, sir. I come from a family who has been carrying and serving the nation for years, sir. My father has served the Indian Air Force. My grandfather has been a part of CRPF. My maternal uncle, has been part of Indian Air Force, sir. And I feel that I'm obliged enough to, serve the nation and carry forward their legacy, sir. And as a person, I enjoy thrill and a disciplined life, sir. And I think that Air Force and Army and in Defense Force lifestyle would suit me, sir.
Okay, so what is your choice, Air Force or the Army? You have been trying for both.
Yes, sir. So I would like to serve the nation with any armed forces, sir. But my priority would be Indian Air Force, sir.
Indian Air Force. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you're here for the flying or for the ground?
So ground duty, sir.
Ground duty. Okay. Good. So you have given 2 attempts. So you have given 1 attempt.
Yes, sir.
So what have been the result?
So my first attempt was in FCAT in 2FSB Mysuru, sir. I got screened out, sir. That was back in 2024, sir.
Okay.
And my second attempt is in Allahabad, sir. And I was conferenced out from there, sir.
Okay. So what was the reason of getting screened and conference out?
So the first time I got screened out was that I was not prepared well enough, sir. And I also had a medical condition going on when I reported for the screening round. And I did not wanted to waste the chance. That's why I went ahead while being, not healthy. Talking about why I got conferenced out, sir, I introspected a lot after coming back, and I realized that there were a few points that I need to work on. First of all, being that I was looking for perfect answers while I was there, and they were I lacked a little physical stamina during the GTO activities, and I think these are the things that I'll be working on, sir.
Okay. So what did you do to improve all those things?
So first of all, I took mentorship from an experienced person, so to help me out during the process and to get introspection in a better way. And I've been practicing a lot for my psych and GTO activities as well, sir.
So which place you went for a mentorship?
So I joined a mentorship class in GAPS Academy under Deepak sir.
Okay. Why did you choose this academy for your preparation?
So the first of all reason was that it had a good image on Google as well. There has been a lot of recommendation from this particular academy, and a lot of friends recommended this academy as well, sir.
Okay, you have been there for how many days?
So I've been there for over a month, sir, since I was working at the same time. So the academy was thoughtful enough to give me a flexible schedule, sir. So and that's it.
So I've been there for 1 month. So what improvement you find in yourself in this 1 month of it?
So I think I'm more confident with my speaking skills and with my introspection process, and I'm more articulate as of now. And I feel that I know what I want in my life. I have more clarity about my thoughts as of now, sir.
Great. So if you get recommended, so whom you will inform first, a father or a mother?
So I'll call my father, sir, first, because they both pick up the call together, sir. So they will be informed at the same time.
Okay, great, good. So Shreya, do you have a boyfriend?
No, sir.
Why, Shreya? You are such a beautiful girl. Why don't you have a boyfriend?
So for me, I set goals in my life, and once I achieve it, then I work on the next goal. And for this year, I have put myself into the zone that I want to clear the exam and get into the academy, sir. So this subject is something that I'm not focusing on right now, sir.
Okay, I understood. But still, you have been, what is the years now?
22, sir.
22 years of age. So
Yes,
you
sir.
never had the opportunity of having a boyfriend.
No, sir. I had one before, sir.
You had one before.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what happened then?
So we parted ways on good terms, sir. Actually,
Okay, you parted apart.
yes, sir.
What was the reason of getting apart?
Uh, so back in 2024, we were dating, sir, and he was in the academy, and I was doing internship abroad at that time, and I couldn't make it to the NBA ball party, and there was some conflict between us, and we decided that we are not able to give time to each other, and then we, mutually parted ways, sir.
Okay, so you have been apart. You have been for a internship.
Yes, sir.
Which country have been for
So I've
internship?
been to Japan for 2 months on a fully paid scholarship by the Meitei government.
Okay, good. Shreya, we had a nice interaction. So wish you all the best. Do well in your rest of the tests, and hope to see you in the academy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, you want to ask me any question?
No, sir.